Welcome to this Buzz Building screencast where I'm going to show you how to set a Google Drive file to force a copy when a link is clicked on. That might sound a little involved, but let me show you what I mean. So here I am building an assignment for my students. So I'm in Buzz. I've started creating what this is going to look like. This is a Dropbox assignment. So in the end, the students are going to turn in either a document or something they create or link up a Google Doc as part of that Dropbox assignment. So what I want to do in here is where it says students open this file here, which will make your own copy. I want to link up the file there. Now, normally, let me jump to a Google Doc here. Normally, when we talk about linking up a Google Doc, we just go and we turn on share and we maybe get the link for that Google Doc. There is a URL trick that I want to show you that when that link is clicked on by the students, it'll automatically force them to make a copy. So what that takes out for them is the step of file, make a copy. It does that for them. So I've already built this document. One good piece of advice here too, since we're talking about this, is I typically, when I'm assigning things to students, I will make a table at the top that says, after making your own copy, please share this file to me. You can uncheck the choice to send an email. That just makes it so maybe you get a few less emails for the students that follow that direction. I will see your file when you turn it in through Buzz, and you can delete this box after sharing if it's in your way. So that might be something good that's just a standard to put at the top of your Google Docs. Now let's talk about the sharing piece. When I click on share, normally what we see is we click on get shareable link, and here you can choose for that file to be just seen by anyone in your district, or you can set it, if you go under more, you could set this to this choice, which is anyone with the link. So as long as it's just for your students, you can leave it in your district. If you're teaching others that are not within your district, you want to choose anyone with the link. So I'm going to leave that one that way. So normally what we do then is we click on this link and we can click the copy button. That'll copy it. Let me show you something with the link. Let me get out of this screen here. That link is the same link that's up here. Okay, so at the end of every Google Drive file type, all Google Drive files end in /edit. The trick is you can copy this link, so I'm going to highlight the whole thing and copy it. Now, when I go paste that link in, if I change the end of it to /copy instead of /edit, what this does is when a user clicks on that link, this is what happens. Because the file is set to anyone with the link can view, and you change that end to /copy, it forces this window that says, would you like to make a copy of Buzz Demo Marketing Case? And as the student, they can just click, yeah, make a copy, and then up will come their copy. It automatically titles a copy of for them, but this takes out the whole step of file, make a copy if students are confused by having to do that extra step. So now that link that I copied a little bit ago, when I go back over to Buzz, when I click here, open this file here, and I go to link it up, I'm going to paste in the link. So again, I need to change that to /copy at the end. And I always choose, anytime something takes students out of Buzz, I always choose pop up in a new window. That's just a good habit to get in. Click OK. So now, let me save this. Let's test this out here. So if I go back into my activities mode and I take a look at that assignment I was building, students open this file here, and it should take me, there it is, copy of document, make a copy. So just a great little strategy. It's a few extra clicks, a few extra things to think about when you're linking up things, but this works for Google Drive slides files. So if you're giving them a template to start with as a Google Slide template, if you're giving them a Google Sheets file, or giving them a Google Doc or a Google Drawing, if it's something for them to start with, or a template that you create for them to start with, this is a great strategy. Thanks so much for watching.